देखिए सभी भैया, पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट के अंतर्गत राज्यसभा के बारे में बताने जा रहा था। क्या लिखते हैं देखिए, द राज्यसभा आर द काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट इज द अपर हाउस ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट। राज्यसभा इज अपर हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. It has a maximum strength of 250 members. Of these, 280 members represent the state and the union territories, and 12 members are nominated by the president. पीछे वाले भैया बात नहीं. These nominated members include distinguished individuals from the fields of art, literature, science, technology, social service, etc. At present, the Rajya Sabha has 245 members, 233 of them elected members, while 12 members are nominated by President. The Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. Unlike Lok Sabha, it cannot be dissolved. अब ये पूछेंगे, अब ये पूछ रहे थे, घबराइए नहीं. It cannot be dissolved. 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years, and elections are held for the vacant seat. The election to Rajya Sabha is indirect, that is, all the voters do not cast their vote. Instead, they are represented to various state legislative assemblies. Elect the member of Rajya Sabha. Each member of Rajya Sabha is elected for a term of 6 years. The Vice President of India presides over the Rajya Sabha. He is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. His functions are almost similar to those of Speaker of the Lok Sabha. In his absence, however, the deputy chairperson, who is an elected member of the Rajya Sabha, presides. A candidate for Rajya Sabha should be citizen of India. He should be at least 30 years of the age. Other qualification being similar to those for the member of Lok Sabha. Member of the Rajya Sabha can be re-elected if their voters desire so. The Rajya Sabha members ensure the interest of the state they represent. They are usually more mature and as such can exercise greater restraint and can guide the member of the Lok Sabha. For membership to the Rajya Sabha, a candidate must possess the following qualification. He must be citizen of India. He should be 30 years of age. He should not be proclaimed offender. He should not hold any office of profit under the government. His name should be in the voter list of the state from where he is seeking election. Now, power and function of the Parliament. The Parliament is the supreme law-making body of the country. It makes laws that are implemented throughout the country. It performs various other functions. The procedure of lawmaking and the other functions of the Parliament are as follows. Law-making function. The Parliament can enact new law or change the existing ones on the 97 subjects of the Union list. It can enact law on the subjects of the state list also, besides the 47 subjects on concurrent list. The Union Parliament has the sole right to amend the Constitution. यहाँ पर जो सब्जेक्ट दिए गए हैं ये चेंज हो चुके हैं. जो आपके 97 हैं यहाँ पर 100 हो गए हैं और कॉन्क्रीट में उसमें भी चेंज हो गए हैं. उसमें 60 या 62 ऐसे हैं लगभग अबाउट, और 51 लगभग आपके कॉन्क्रीट में है. स्टेट लिस्ट और 3 टाइप्स लिस्ट हैं, एक यूनियन लिस्ट, एक कॉन्क्रीट लिस्ट, एक स्टेट लिस्ट. इन तीनों में जो इसमें सब्जेक्ट दिए हैं ये पहले वाले दिए हैं. अभी हम बताएंगे, देखो पूरा क्लियर करता हूँ. अब देखिए ये लिस्ट में यूनियन लिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट दिल्ली सरकार वो कानून बनाती है. स्टेट लिस्ट के अंतर्गत राज्य सरकारें कानून बनाती हैं. कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट के अंतर्गत दोनों सरकारें कानून बनाती हैं, लेकिन पहले प्राथमिकता राज्य सरकार की होती है. जब कोई विवादास्पद की स्थिति होती है तब केंद्र सरकार उस पर कानून बनाती है. तो यहाँ द प्रोसीड्योर क्या है? अ प्रपोजल फॉर ए न्यू लॉ आर चेंज इन एक्सिस्टिंग लॉ इज कॉल्ड ए बिल. When a bill is introduced by any member of the parliament, it is called a non-official bill, but it is called an official bill when it is introduced by a minister. A bill passes through the following step. यहाँ 3 स्टेप दिया है. 5 स्टेप होते हैं किसी भी बिल को पास होने, लॉ पास होने में 5 स्टेप होते हैं. पहला देखिए, फर्स्ट सेकंड दिया है, पहले देखिए थर्ड. इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द फर्स्ट बिल कहते हैं ए मेंबर ऑफ द आइदर हाउस ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट इंट्रोड्यूस द बिल. द कॉपीज ऑफ द बिल आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अमंग द मेंबर्स. द मेंबर इंट्रोड्यूस द बिल एक्सप्लेन द पर्पज एंड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द बिल. सेकेंड रीडिंग. एट दिस स्टेज द बिल इज थ्रूआउटली डिस्कस्ड. Suggestions are made to change or delete certain parts of the bill. The bill is then sent to a special body called the Select Committee, which is composed of members of various political parties of the House. The Select Committee throughout scrutinize the bill. Third reading. After including suggestion, the bill be redrafted and then present in the final form. If more than 50% of the member vote for the bill, it is passed. The bill is then sent to the other house. The same procedure is repeated here. If the bill is passed in this house, it is sent to the president for the assent. The upper house may even return the bill with the suggestion. If these are not accepted by the lower house, the president calls a joint session of the both house. If it is passed by joint session, the bill is sent to the president. The president too can return the bill with the suggestion for change. If no suggestion or change are made by him, he sign and bill and it become an act of parliament or a law. Money bill. It is a bill which deals with the income and expenditure of the government. While ordinary bill can be introduced in either of the houses of parliament, a money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. The procedure for passing a money bill is similar to that of an ordinary bill.